Alright guys, so this tech tip right here is actually for fan clutches like this, where the fan bolts onto the water pump. And see, if you try to tighten them down or loosen them, the fan will spin like that. So here's a little tech tip for you guys to help tighten it down if you guys don't have a fan holder. And all you need for that is a screwdriver and a wrench. Let's get into it. Alright, so the way you're going to want to do this is you're going to want to get a screwdriver like this, and you're going to want to position it between the nut right here and the fan like that. Try to get a better, so it's going to be like that, so that when you guys are tightening it down, the screwdriver actually holds down the fan from moving. So you're going to want to move it just a little bit, and then it will catch on the screwdriver, and from there you can tighten down the nut. Once it's tight, let go of the screwdriver, spin it a little bit, get the next nut ready right there, and then we'll put the screwdriver back in like that, and then move on to the next nut, tighten down until it's tight, move on to the next one, put the screwdriver in for the last one, and then tighten it down, and then you guys are done. That's all you need to do to tighten down the fan clutch is a screwdriver and a wrench. So hopefully this tech tip helps you guys out when you guys don't have a fan holder, or you guys are stuck in a similar situation. Hopefully you guys can remember this, and hopefully this helps you out. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!